Yo, what's up? Check this out. So a while back, I made these garden hose attachments. Hopefully you can see this in front of the green screen. Let me show you what these guys do real quick. The sprayers work pretty good, but there's one fatal flaw. They're 3D printed threads. The way I'm thinking of doing this might make it possible to make garden hose sprayers with a FDM machine. Whoa! Is this not the perfect thing to turn into a garden hose sprayer? That's kind of helpful because he like holds on to the handles. We can work with that. Check out this extremely high fidelity rendering that I just came up with on the fly. 100%. That's what we're gonna do. I want to show you guys my idea though. I just got back from Lowe's and picked up one of these things. We're gonna test something out real quick. All right, let's print this thing. It hasn't been leveled in like 6 months. We'll see. Oh yeah, she's printing great. Unbelievable. It's on there pretty good. Interesting. Let's test her out real quick. This might have been the wrong size thread. Is it watertight though? This is on, this is off. I'm starting us off in the off position, and then I'm gonna go full force. See if it shoots off like a rocket. I'm gonna make sure to aim it away from the green screen so we don't get that green screen soaking wet. All right, everything's fully engaged. I don't know if I should be wearing safety goggles for this, but 3, 2, 1. And it does not seem to be watertight. I think we need to print a different thread pattern because this one is not cutting it. We have a slight conundrum. This male part is supposed to be the same as this male part, but they're not the same. So I figured it out. The only difference is my garden hose is really old, so the threads are kind of worn down. This is the inside of the thread, this face right here. Now we just bring it back 0.2 millimeters, and now it's sharp. Just like this new garden hose thread. I just remembered what I wanted to do. 1 second. All right, and I actually went back and made it just a little bit pointier. So now it's hella pointy. Fuck yeah, look how pointy that is. You can see it's pointier this time. In the meantime, I need to find something that's all purple that I can replace with this nozzle. I'm gonna go do that right now. Yo, what about this big ass purple middle finger? Testing in 3, 2, 1. A little bit more watertight. Alright, so I went back for a third attempt. See that? That did the trick, didn't it? Testing in 3, 2, 1. Seems like no matter what you do, it is very difficult to get a tight seal on a garden hose with PLA. Don't worry though, I have something that I think will fix it. This is what the center of the nozzle looks like. Kind of the flow pattern we got going. Awesome, just the outline of the middle finger. What a magnificent first layer. And bang, the middle finger is done. All right, now how do we de-support it? A little rough around the edges, but definitely successful. Let's see if we can get a good fit. Unfortunately, I think the answer is no, but don't worry about that. I have a plan for this. Time to test this thing out. Hose fittings on FDM prints do not work. They leak. They will never work. Unless you do what I'm about to do. But this is not going to be watertight. Let's make this thing watertight. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, epoxy JB Weld. That's right, we're gonna JB Weld the threads together. It is indeed possible to get watertight threads with FDM prints, but there's still something that we have to do. I have finished Super Mario Sunshine. I'm gonna print this Gyarados out as well. Oh! Nice. Not sure if this is my imagination or not, but it smells like strawberries right now. It's because of this color. He's missing his straps, but that's okay. I think I got nice seals on everything. Let's go test these out. It's the middle of the night and it's cold as in the shop, but I'm gonna be turning on the garden hose. Not sure if that's a good idea. We might freeze some pipes. Alright, the moment you may or may not have been waiting for. Hopefully you're still here watching Super Mario Sunshine with the sprayer. Let's test it out.
Welcome to the sun-drenched tropical paradise of Isle Delfino. We're so pleased to welcome you to our beautiful home. Come enjoy a natural wonderland to which we've added the world's finest resort facilities, a spectacular amusement park, and succulent seafood. All this and more await you on Isle Delfino. Come relax and let us refresh your body and spirit.
Conclusions. You can make any thread watertight by just putting some epoxy or JB Weld or probably some thread lock on your threads. I'm gonna put up a repo where you can get all these files. That'll be in the Discord. I'll leave a link to my shop where you can buy some of this stuff. Go check all that out. Peace out. Peace out.